Hello everyone, in this video we will create our initial React project. I'll show you the steps you need to follow to create that, and so let's get started. So I have my terminal over here, and then I have this ReactJS documentation. So you can go to whatever folder you want to create this project. You need to install Node in your system if you don't already have it. So you can go here, nodejs.org website, and then you can download the latest or current version of the Node, and you basically install it, and then you will be able to create the application with this command. So you can copy this npx, copy here, npx create react, and then you need to give it a name. We'll give it a name of, let's say, React Basics, and click enter. So what it will do, it will create the initial project for you. So there are different ways of installing React. Right now, I'm sticking to the basic way of doing it so that I won't confuse you. So this is perfectly fine. You can use npx create React app, and you'll have your React app. All right, so now you have your React app. You can cd into it, and now you're good to go. So you need to have some kind of IDE so that you can make changes to your code. I'll be using VS Code for that. So let's open VS Code. And then in VS Code, we have these different modules. So in your React project, you will have your Node modules. So Node modules are basically, you can consider them pre-installed packages, which you can use to make your app. So in case, let's say you need to use Jest for unit testing, then you don't need to go and install Jest. It will become pre-built inside the application. So let's open our terminal first. So you can open your terminal from this terminal command. It will open the terminal over here in your VS Code. It's recommended to add all your assets inside your public folder. And in the source folder, you will have your basic app. You have your app.js, which loads up your application. So this is, you can consider as the parent component of a React application, and you will be adding all of your components inside this parent component. We'll see later on like how to do that. And then this is the app.test file. You can use this, or you can add your own test with Cypress or Jest. So it's totally up to you. In the index.css, you can add global CSS to your React application. And index.js is kind of like your index file. So this is where you'll be loading your app. You can consider index.js file as the entry port of your application, where you have this element root. So if you run this application, so let's run this application. We can open our terminal from here, and then we can say npm start. Then we will have our React application here. So if we inspect it and come here, we can see we have a root ID, div ID, which is root. So if we go to our application, we can see that ID over here. So this is where React loads all of your components. So this is your main app component. Inside your app component, you will be adding your child components, and then those child can further have their children. So to make it simple, index.js will load your parent component, and this is the entry point of your application. And I think that's it. That's all you need to start working with React. I mean, as you do more complex stuff, you'll be leveraging all these files and folders. For now, we don't need to worry much about them. We need to focus on the basic concepts of React application. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll see what is JSX and all kind of fun stuff in React. So I'll see you there. Thank you.